So welcome. Today I will show you how Income Tax Department of India is showing the duplicate entries of the means investment or means whatever it is. So I have invested in the mutual fund, liquid mutual fund, and this is means not the only year when they have shown the duplicate entries. Last year it was I think it was last year it was thousands of duplicate entries were there, and I was means treated as hell. It was hell for me to means to correct the information, as their software also not giving the proper information. It was hanged, and if you work for few hours, then that will not update. So finally I could not update those duplicate entries, but this year I will show you what is the four entries I have found the duplicate. So you see here this one, this option. So you can see here that there are the four entries here. All four entries are duplicate in another place. So you see here that it is 51.62. Yeah, all this information you see for 30 units, this one for 27 units, this one, and for 80 units. Okay, so this is the entry that they have shown against CDSL. Okay, against CDSL, right? And the same entry, this they are actually CAM services is maintaining the account, and CDSL is the depository. So they have shown this information at both places. Okay, so now I'll come to this place, okay, where there are 45 entries. I'll show you where are these entries. Okay, let me go to last one. Okay, so if you go to last one, you see uh, this this entry, this SBI same is there. 80 units are there. Okay, 80 units are there, and other information completely it is same. So I have marked this as duplicate. Okay, this is duplicate information. So although they will correct it as they said in the means message, but it is making us troublesome. Let's go to another entry. Just go to page means just back page. Okay, here are the three entries that I have shown you there. So this is the another entry, this one, this entry, and you see that the same information has been was there in another means screen that I have shown you. This one in this entry, and similarly this entry. Okay, this entry, and another entry is this one. Okay, this. So all these four entries were duplicate, and because of this my turnover was increased by 7,22,000. So in this way, income tax department servers or softwares are not behaving properly and making us trouble. And last year thousands of entries were duplicate, and finally I have to give up, and I could not update those because the information was so huge and their software was not working properly. So these four entries are available here also. You can see again also, if you want to see, these are the information that I have shown you just now. So this is the duplicate entries that they are showing. Okay, so this is means not good at software, and I think Infosys is maintaining this, and they should look after the duplicate entries of the means income tax, means whatever the sales consideration of mutual funds and the shares. So this is bad, and they are not able to improve their software after 2-3 years. Okay, so this is very bad. So I, with this video, I would suggest the income tax department to look after this Infosys company and correct their softwares. Okay, so as it becomes troublesome, I have to take a lot of time to find out this mistake. I have to list out each and every detail, each and every entry, then compare one by one with my mutual fund means AMC, and this income tax AIS. So I would request income tax department to sort out this mistake. Okay, so this is all. Thank you very much.